Welcome to another video of Best Deals. Check the description below as discounts and coupons will only be valid through those links.
7. HUMHOLD Portable Air Conditioner. Compact, stylish, and ideal for small rooms, the HUMHOLD Portable Air Conditioner is a solid budget-friendly option. It offers fast cooling with multiple fan speeds and a built-in humidifier function for added comfort. One of its best features is its portability, lightweight and easy to move from room to room. While it's not the most powerful unit on the market, it's great for bedrooms or personal spaces. If you're looking for an affordable solution with decent performance, HUMHOLD is a great place to start. 6. Midea Duo Ultra Quiet Portable Air Conditioner. This one is a game changer for noise-sensitive users. The Midea Duo is ultra quiet yet powerful, with a variable speed inverter system that cools faster while using less energy. It's perfect for larger spaces and has a dual hose setup, which means more efficient cooling and ventilation. It also features smart controls and Wi-Fi compatibility, so you can cool your space with just your phone or voice. It's sleek, modern, and loaded with convenience. If you value silence and smart features, Midea Duo is a must-have. 5. Dreo Portable Air Conditioner. The Dreo brings an amazing balance of performance and design. With fast cooling for rooms up to 450 square feet, it's ideal for mid-sized areas. It includes a self-evaporative system, which minimizes water drainage hassles. The control panel is intuitive, and the remote is a handy bonus. Users love its quiet operation and fast response. This is definitely a strong mid-tier contender. 4. Shinco Portable Air Conditioner. Shinco delivers dependable cooling with minimal setup. It's ready to go out of the box and includes a simple remote for easy operation. It cools rooms up to 200 to 300 square feet quickly and includes a dehumidifier and fan mode for versatile use. It's not Wi-Fi enabled, but it makes up for it with quiet performance and great cooling output. Perfect for anyone who values function over frills. 3. Coolblus Portable Air Conditioner. Coolblus might not be as widely known, but it's earned a place here for a reason. It cools fast, runs efficiently, and is one of the easiest units to set up. It's lightweight and compact, great for apartments or dorms. It includes multiple cooling modes and a timer function, adding to the overall convenience. If you're short on space but still want powerful cooling, the Coolblus delivers excellent value. 2. PQH Portable Air Conditioner. Modern, sleek, and designed for smaller to medium rooms, the PQH Portable Air Conditioner combines aesthetic and power. With fast cooling, 3 operation modes, and built-in air purification, it does more than just cool. The user interface is very user-friendly, and it comes with remote control. It's also energy efficient, helping cut down on electricity costs during summer months. For its price and features, it's a smart buy. 1. BLACK+DECKER Smart Portable Air Conditioner. Topping our list is the BLACK+DECKER Smart Portable Air Conditioner. This is the complete package: smart controls, fast cooling, and impressive energy efficiency. With Alexa and Wi-Fi compatibility, you can control your home's temperature with your voice or phone. It's designed for large rooms and delivers consistent, powerful cooling. Plus, the sleep mode, 24-hour timer, and sleek design make it the most well-rounded choice on this list. For performance, reliability, and top-tier technology, BLACK+DECKER takes the crown. For more detailed information, check the description below.